In today's video, I'm going to teach you all about Nano Banana, a fascinating tool that combines image generation and photo editing using AI. We'll take a journey through its capabilities and show you how to get started with it today. First, open up your preferred web browser and head over to the search engine. Type in Nano Banana and press enter. You'll see a list of results pop up, and what you're looking for is the link labeled Nano Banana, Gemini AI Image Generator and Photo Editor. Click on it, and this will take you to the Gemini platform, which is the home of this creative tool. Once you're on the Nano Banana page, you'll notice a button titled Try Gemini. Clicking on this will direct you to the main application page. Here you'll want to click on the icon that looks like a banana with the label Create Image. This step is crucial as it sets you up to begin generating images using your imagination. Now the fun part begins. You'll need to type in a prompt to guide the AI on what kind of image you would like to create. This is where your creativity comes into play, as you can keep refining your prompt until the resultant image is exactly what you desire. Feel free to experiment and explore different styles or themes until you're satisfied with what you see. Additionally, if you have a specific photo or image file you'd like to use as a starting point, click on Add Files. This option lets you upload a photo and then type in a prompt to manipulate or enhance how your final image will look. This is especially useful if you're aiming for a personalized touch or want to preserve certain elements of an existing image. Once your files are uploaded, confirm by clicking on Upload Files. Now you can harness one of Nano Banana's coolest features, blending multiple photos together. To do this, type in a prompt such as blend these two images and the AI will combine the images seamlessly. You can even go further and modify backgrounds or settings to match a specific theme or scene, achieving a cohesive and unique result. If you're not entirely satisfied with the final image generated, don't worry. Right below the image, you'll find an option to redo the process and try again until you achieve an outcome you love. On the other hand, if the image generated meets your expectations and you're pleased with the result, hover over the photo and look to the top right-hand corner.